An anaerobic digester septic system can shrink solids and generate usable biogas for a tiny house if designed and managed correctly. A compact sealed digester sized for a tiny house needs careful calculation of organic loading, hydraulic retention time, and temperature control to work reliably. Start by estimating daily organic and gray water volumes and aim for a retention time of at least 20 to 30 days for mesophilic operation, or higher if feedstock is cold or variable. Insulate or modestly heat the tank to maintain a steady temperature between 30 and 40 degrees Celsius for consistent methane production, and orient plumbing so solids settle while liquid flows out to a secondary soak or treatment stage to protect local soils. Use a gas trap and one-way valve sized for low flow and include a small blow-off and safe venting location away from living areas. And remember that biogas can contain hydrogen sulfide, which corrodes metal and smells, so simple gas scrubbing using iron filings or a water trap is useful. Monitor pH and alkalinity periodically and add buffering agents if acidification begins, and avoid introducing large amounts of fats, oils, or disinfectants, which will inhibit the microbial community. Keep a service plan with easy access for desludging on the manufacturer recommended schedule, and test effluent for biochemical oxygen demand or total suspended solids to ensure you are not harming the site. If local regulations allow biogas capture, size, storage conservatively, and treat gas before any combustion appliance, otherwise designed for safe flaring or passive venting. People often try to undersize systems, which causes overloading and souring, so size conservatively and increase retention time rather than compressing the tank. If souring occurs, add a dilution of low-strength feed or a buffering solution and pause high-strength inputs. Another common mistake is poor thermal management, leading to low gas yields and slow digestion. So insulate the digester, locate it where it receives passive solar gain, or use a small external heater designed for biogas systems. Finally, many owners ignore byproduct handling and allow liquid effluent to saturate the drain field. So install a simple secondary treatment like a constructed wetland or aerobic polishing tank and test soil percolation before discharge. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners explore options for compact anaerobic digesters and other small-scale on-site treatment by connecting us with local contractors who have relevant experience, and we provide a discussion community where users and installers exchange real-world tips and photos. Our site also helps contractors find work by listing projects and letting them engage with homeowners and community questions directly.